Hello my people, and welcome back to your Bonga YouTube channel at Slashado Beauty. So today I would actually be sharing with us how to perform your facials at home or in the spa. Now this facials actually helps in clearing face acne, hives, rashes, and all sort of blemishes. Also, if you're new on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when there is a new post coming from us. Now the first thing I'll need in this facials is my acne face soap. And now I'm just going to apply this acne face soap on my face evenly. Please note that I'm applying this on my face in a circular motion. Now you need to do this in a circular motion so that all of the ingredients, or would I say the soap, would fully absorb into the skin. Once that is done, you need to use your face foam, damp it in warm water, and use in cleansing the face. Cleanse your face thoroughly. This would help eliminate any soap residue that is remaining on the face. While the face is still moist, I'm going to be applying my turmeric face scrub, DIY turmeric face scrub, and it smells really nice. Guys, please also note that I'm applying this in a circular motion on the face, making it sit properly and spreading well all over the face. And also avoid it from touching your hair. Don't mind me, guys. If you're doing this on a client, endeavor to wear a cap, a shower cap on the client's head, or even your own personal hair. So I'm going to do this, let it sit on my face for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, use your foam, your face foam, to cleanse off the scrub from your face. Now also, while doing this, you need to also damp the foam in warm water. Please cleanse the face very well, because if there's any residue left on the face, it can actually start to sting you after a long period of time. Now if you're doing this at home on your face, you can choose to either use the face foam or simply use running water. But if you're working on a client's face, please endeavor to use the face foam because it cleanses the face thoroughly. Once my face is well cleansed, the next thing I'm going to apply is my DIY turmeric mask, and I'm also applying this on my face in a circular motion, and I'll make sure that this sits on my face properly. Once I fully apply this on my face and my neck, I'm just gonna let it sit on the face for about 20 minutes. Also, if you're wondering, oh, how did I make my mask, my DIY this and that, in the next video that I would post, I would share with us all the recipes and how I made all this face mask, the face scrub, the face cream, everything I'm gonna share with us in our next video. So do not forget to still click on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when this new post comes up. Now after 20 minutes, it's already hardened. I'm just gonna use my face foam and cleanse the turmeric face mask. Please endeavor to cleanse this off of your face completely because it's actually hardened already. If you're wondering why am I using turmeric, yes, I'm using turmeric. This DIY recipe that, or this DIY product that I'm using, actually contains oils that have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Also, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties as well. So it helps in treating acne, clearing of acne, dermatitis, face hives, rashes, and all sort of skin or facial issues. Also, the face mask would actually help in absorbing the excess oil on the skin. Okay, so next up, I'm going to be using a soft face towel. Use it in drying up my face. And you can see the towel is actually stained with turmeric. So next up, I'll apply my face toner. It actually works magic. This face toner contains glycolic acid, Amamelis virginiana, castor oil, and other natural products that actually helps in clearing all sort of facial blemishes. So it's actually gonna help in eradicating acne and all sort of facial blemishes. Next up, I'll be using my DIY turmeric face cream, which smells heavenly. So I applied this all over my skin, my face, and my neck. You could do this using your hand rather than the hand gloves, because hand glove will make it sticky and stiff. So you could use this with your hands. Apply this all over the face, making it sit properly into the skin. Okay, so this only took me about 30 minutes, approximately 30 minutes, and my face is already back to normal, and that's the final result of using my turmeric kit. You can see, guys, my skin is glowing already. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give us a huge thumbs up, and if you're new on the channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when there is a new post coming from us. I still remain your one and only Lash Doll. Until we meet again, be good, and guys, you know that I love you. Ciao.